Okay, we're gonna clean the headlights. I have this headlight that it was done by a guy in Phoenix, and then this one was done by a guy that out of Vegas. So this one looks really bad. So we're gonna see what we can do with it. I'm gonna be using that Mother's restoration headlight. This cost me $20 at the Walmart. So, and it's multi-use. So, pretty easy to use. You got your polisher. Okay. You got your polish cream. And drop that in there. Well, let me get it out. Okay, got it out. So this is the last before that polishing. It's a 3000 sandpaper basically. We have 1500. And we have a 800. Okay, so we're gonna do the 800 first. 800. Then we're gonna do that 1500, and then we're gonna do that 3000. So I'll check you guys in a bit. That look bad at all, huh? And there's no spray or clear spray or anything like that. Guys that you pay $30, $40 or $50 to do them at the truck stop. So there you go. There's still a little bit of scuffle here, yeah, but you know, it's really not that bad of a job. And like I say, that they give you your little adapter for your drill. Okay, that's the polish bowl. This thing comes apart, so you can attach that sandpaper with it. I'm just using a regular cordless drill. I ran out of batteries, that's why I can't do the other one. But what you want to do is just basically sand wash with the first two grids, with the 800 and with the 1500. I have a gallon here of just regular tap water. Just grind it, sand it out with a drill bit, and be pouring a little bit of water on top of the headlight. That way it never runs clear. And then you want to do is dry it out with a cloth or with a towel. And you want to use this one. Okay, give it a good pass with this one, and after that is done, wipe it out again, and then you want to use the polisher with that polishing cream, and then you're done. And after that, just wipe it all off, and you're set. All right, see you on the next one.